Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your region on TikTok app. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner. Before we move forward, you have to know that there are no ways to change your region. But there is an easy fix. So scroll down and you'll see the option App Languages. Tap on that. Here you will see that your app language is English. Tap on that to change it. Now scroll down and search for the language of the region you want to switch to. I'll just select Bengali and you'll see that my app is reopened again in Bengali language. And my region will automatically change according to the language. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.